So I finally ordered the float Sidekicks railguards. The main reason I got these railguards is to provide some protection around the railings of the board. Alright, let's open it up. So the package comes with this bag. It looks like they gave you a couple of stickers and they do provide their business card as well. And here are the float sidekicks. They look like they come in two pieces, one for each side, obviously. So this one goes to the power button and the charging port side. Okay, let's put them on. Alright, let's check it out. That wasn't so hard. Obviously there's a bit of flaws there. You can tell there's still some bubbles here and there, but I was really expecting that when I decided to get the clear ones. Personally, I wanted to see the logo on around the railings, but originally I wanted to get the solid colors, but of course that would cover everything around the rails. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this one ride out and go from there. Thanks for watching. See ya.